Today topic is fertilization. Fusion of male and female gamete is called fertilization. In angiosperm, we can see the double fertilization. So what are the steps is involved in the double fertilization? That is events of fertilization. The first one, germination of pollen to form a pollen tube in the style. Second one, direction of pollen tube towards the micropyle of ovule. Third one, entry of pollen tube into one of the synergid of the embryo sac and discharge the male gametes. Last one, syngamy and triple fusion. This two process is called only double fertilization. The event from the deposition of the stigma to the entry of pollen tube into the ovule is called pollen pistil interaction, because here only recognition of the pollen and to promote or inhibit its germination and growth take place. Here they given the picture is events of fertilization, that is the ovary shows the fertilization. Pollen on the stigma. In nature, variety of the pollens fall on the receptive stigma, but all the pollens are not germinated and bring out the fertilization. The receptive surface of the stigma receive the pollen. If the pollen is compatible with the stigma, it is germinate to form a pollen tube. This facilitated by the stigmatic fluid in wet stigma and follicle in dry stigma. These two are decided to incompatibility and compatibility of the pollen through the recognition-rejection protein reaction between the pollen stigma surface. Sexual incompatibility may exist two different species, that is interspecific, or between the member of the same species, that is intraspecific, or self-incompatibility. The first visible changes in the pollen soon after when it is landing to the stigma, it is hydrated. The first picture it will be given the hydration and start germination. The pollen ball proteins are released from the surface of pollen. Then the germination pollen entire content move to the pollen tube. So second picture it will be given the entire content, it will be moved to the pollen tube. The growth of restricted to the tip of the tube and all the cytoplasmic content moved to the pollen tube is occupied by one vacuole which cut off from the tip by the callus plug. See the picture, the vacuole, then callus plug. So this callus plug, it will be vacuole, it is cut off from the tip region. So that portion it will be called as the callus plug. The extreme tip of the pollen tube appears hemispherical and transparent with viewed through the microscope. It looks like a cap block. As soon as cap block disappears, the growth of the pollen tube stops. Pollen tube in the style. After the germination of pollen tube, enter into the style from the stigma. Growth of the pollen tube depend on the type of the style. So three types of the style, it will be classified into three types. First one, hollow, otherwise open style. It is common among the monocot plants. So hollow canal running hollow into that staminal tube. So that is stigma to the base of the stylar region, it will be a hollow condition. Then this canal is lined by a single layer of glandular canal cells. That cells it will be secreting the mucilaginous substance. So this glandular canal cells otherwise known as the transmitting tissues. The pollen tube grow on the surface of the cells lining the stylar canal. Then canal is filled with the secretion fluid, so it serves as a nutrition for growing pollen tube and also control the incompatibility reaction between style and pollen tube. Secretion contain carbohydrates, lipid and some enzymes like esterase, acid phosphates as well as compatibility controlling proteins etc. Second one, solid style or closed type. So it will be commonly seen in dicot plant. So in the center core elongated and highly specialized cells called transmitting tissues it will be present. So this tissue equivalent to lining cells of hollow style and does the same function. Pollen tube grows through the intercellular space of transmitting tissue. So it contain also similar to the content of those cells. Third one, semi-solid styler or off-closed type. So it is the intermediate between the solid and hollow type. There is a difference of opinion on nature of transmitting tissue. Some authors consider that found only in solid style, while others consider as the lining cells of hollow style also having as same transmitting tissue. Entry of pollen tube into the ovule. So the pollen tube entering position based, it will be classified into three types. First one, porogamy. The picture also it will be given. In the ovule we can see the minute pore, no? That is the micropyle. So through that micropyle it will be entered, it will be called the porogamy. Second one, opposite to that pollen, that micropylar region, Salazar. So in the Salazar, through that Salazar the pollen tube is entered, it will be known as salazogamy. Then mesogamy, that is pollen tube entered through the integuments, is known as mesogamy. Entry of pollen tube into the embryo sac. Irrespective of the place of the entry of pollen tube into the ovule, it enters the embryo sac at the micropylar end only. Then pollen enter its embryo sac directly into the one of the synergid. Then the growth of the pollen tube towards the ovary, ovule and embryo sac is due to the presence of chemotrophic substance. The pollen tube, after traveling the whole length of the style, enters into the ovary locule, where it is guided towards the micropylar of the ovule by the structures is called obturator. After reaching the embryo sac, a pore is formed in the pollen tube wall at its apex or just behind the apex. The content of pollen tube is 2 male gametes, vegetative nucleus and cytoplasm. These content discharged into the synergids into which the pollen tube is entered. The pollen tube does not grow behind it. In the embryo sac, the tube nucleus disorganizes. Here the picture it will be explaining double fertilization and triple fusion. Clearly the picture it will be given. Double fertilization and triple fusion. Navashin and Giggard in 1898 and 1899 they observed in Lilium fritillaria. So in the both the plants they produce in the both the male gametes released from the male gametophyte are involved in the fertilization. So the fertilization, two different components of the embryo sacs. They fertilize two different components of the embryo sac. Since both the male gamete are involved in the fertilization, this phenomenon only known as the double fertilization, it is common in angiosperm plants. One of the male gamete fuses with the egg nucleus known as syngamy to form a zygote. Then second gamete migrate to the central cell where it is fused with the polar nuclei, or their fusion product is known as the secondary nucleus to form the primary endosperm nucleus, PEN. This picture also explaining the pollen tube growth and fertilization, that is double fertilization and triple fusion. Secondary nucleus or the primary endosperm nucleus is the 3N condition because triploidy, because it is involved the fusion of 3 nuclei. So that's why this phenomenon is known as triple fusion. This act result in endosperm formation, so it is useful for the nutritive tissue for growing embryo. Post-fertilization structures and events. After fertilization, several changes takes place in the floral parts up to the formation of the seeds. The events after fertilization are endosperm formation, development, embryo development, formation of fruits and seeds. This all the changes is known as the post-fertilization changes. So they given the picture post-fertilization structure. Then parts before the fertilization and after fertilization transformation. So the first one, sepal, petal, stamen, style and stigma. So normally wither and fall off. Ovary modify into fruit. Ovules are modified into seed. Egg transform into zygote. Funicle modify into stalk of the seed. Micropyle of the ovule, micropyle of the seed. So now it is facilitate absorbing oxygen and uptake of water. Nucellus is modified into perisperm. Then outer integument of the ovule modified into outer seed coat testa. Then inner integument, inner seed coat or tegmen. Synergid cells degenerate. Secondary nucellus modify into endosperm. Antipodal cell degenerates. Thank you.